Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to all my regular viewers, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm testing out the Not Polish acrylic range. So I've got a few colours and this is the first that I have literally tried them. So as you can see by this ring finger, literally, oh my goodness, what can I say? You would think I'd never picked up acrylic before. So this is the Nude Panther, which is one of their most popular nudes in the collection, and it literally doesn't move. It just sits there. Even though I can still move it about, yeah, I think it might get some getting used to. I think on this nail there's going to be quite a bit of filing. So I'm doing an extended nail bed on the ring finger, and because this purple, which is called smoked purple, it's absolutely, the colour of it is amazing. So I've just decided to literally just use the two colours, the Nude Panther and the purple, because once you see this purple, you'll know exactly what I mean. So on the middle finger, I'm a wee bit more sort of realising how this acrylic works. So I'm working a little bit wetter and I'm just spreading it down maybe a third of the nail, and then the rest of the nail is going to be a marble with both the Nude Panther and the smoked purple. These Not Polish acrylic powders are actually a 2-in-1 system, so you can use them with your regular monomer as I'm using them here, or you can also use them as a dip system. So onto the little finger. As you can see, look at that colour. It's absolutely amazing. The pigments in this acrylic, oh my goodness, and it just glides on. It's so smooth. There's no marbling, nothing. I love it. It's really, really a gorgeous colour. And because this colour is so nice, I'm doing the little finger and the index finger all this colour, because it's just so nice. I think it's quite similar to the bright violet from CJP that I swatched a few videos back, but it's just so smooth, and you know, it doesn't flood anywhere, you know, it doesn't like fall off your nails. It's just, oh my goodness, it's so easy to work with. So I definitely think I would get more of them. The price of these ones are $16.20, but they are bigger than Glitter Bells and CJP. So these are, I think these are 2-ounce pots, which would be the size of their core powder ones. So you do get a lot for your money. And also bear in mind that they are 2-in-1, so you can also dip with this acrylic as well. Back now to the middle finger, and I'm going in with the smoked purple and the Nude Panther, and I'm just going to be doing a marble down the rest of the nail. Before moving on to the middle finger again, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cap the rest of the nails in glass slippers, and then I'll come back to the middle finger, not the middle finger, the ring finger, and I will just redefine that smile line. Now that the rest of the nails are all capped in glass slippers, I'm going to go ahead and file and shape up this smile line, and then I'm going to go in with the smoked purple, just all one colour. It's all about the colour in this set. Filing the product, it seems very similar to Glitter Bells or CJP. It feels like they're core powders, so yep, I don't think this one would probably be needed to be capped, but I'm not too sure about the colours, whether they do need to be capped. I think I might go on and just ask them a question about their coloured powders and their dipping system. So now that it's all filed, I'm just going in with the, I was about to say Nude Panther there, but it's not, it's smoked purple. And I'm just pressing it up to the smile line, and then I'll go back in with some more of the smoked purple and I'll spread it down the rest of the nail. Just to finish off this nail, I'm going to go ahead and cap it in the glass slippers. I will have a play with these products just to see, do the coloured powders need capped, or are they very similar to core powders and they don't need capped? So time will tell. I'll have a play and I'll let you know. Now that all the glass slippers has cured, I'm going in and doing my normal filing routine. I'm using the grey files from CJP, which I just got in an order and haven't tried them yet. But they seem great. They seem really sturdy, and the grit on them seems, you know, really good. So I'm doing my normal filing routine. I'm starting at the side walls. I'm making sure they're nice and straight, making sure my lower arch is nice and straight, and then onto the free edge. Because this is a coffin shaped nail, I want to make sure that that's nice and straight. Then I'll go up around the cuticle area, making sure that's nice and flush, and then finally I'll go over the rest of the nails. So now they're all buffed and shaped, I'm going in with some alcohol and I'm just cleansing the nails and removing any of the dust. And now I'm going to go in with my Glitter Planet Super Gloss Top Coat, which I absolutely love. No glitter in this one, so we'll not get that big wow, but we should be able to see the colour come to life. Honestly, the camera just doesn't do this colour justice. It's absolutely stunning. To finish the nails off, I'm just going to add a few gold rhinestones, because I think I don't want too much on these nails, because it's literally all about the colour. I absolutely love that colour. And here is the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's been a quick one, but I just wanted to show you these new products that I've got in. So give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and I will see you all in the next one. See you soon. Take care. Bye.